Hello and welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Connect to Physics. So in today's topic we are going to discuss about lasers. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे कि लेजर जो वर्ड है इसको डिस्कवर किसने किया. ओके, सो हु हैज डिस्कवर्ड lasers means the well known scientist, his name was T.H. Maman. ठीक है, जो लेजर्स को डिस्कवर किया गया दैट इज द साइंटिस्ट हु हैज डिस्कवर्ड दैट इज टीएच मेमन इन 1960. ठीक है, इन 1960 ही हैज डिस्कवर्ड दिस लेजर. सो अब हम बात करेंगे इसके फुल फॉर्म की. ठीक है, सो व्हाट विल बी द एब्रीविएशन ऑफ लेजर मींस दिस एल स्टैंड्स फॉर लाइट, ए स्टैंड्स फॉर एम्प्लीफिकेशन, S stands for stimulated, E stands for emission, and R stands for radiation. Okay, maximum students they don't know about what will be the abbreviation of laser. ठीक है, so the abbreviation of laser is L stands for light, amplification, stimulated emission of a radiation. Okay, this is the full form of laser. So before moving on to the definition, first we are going to discuss what we are going to call for all this. ठीक है, लाइट को कैसा डिफाइन करते हैं हम, एम्प्लीफिकेशन को कैसा डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, सो वन बाय वन वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस नाउ. लाइट इज नथिंग बट इट्स अ सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी बोल सकते हैं आप, और एल्स यू आर गोइंग टू कॉल इट एज एन लाइट इज नथिंग बट इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेडिएशंस भी बोल के बुला सकते हैं आप. ठीक है, तो मैं यहाँ पे नोट करता हूं लाइट इज नथिंग बट सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी, और एल्स यू कैन कॉल इट एज एन इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेडिएशन. ये हो गया लाइट के बारे में. एम्प्लीफिकेशन इज नथिंग बट विच कैन गिव its strength to the weaker signal. ठीक है, we have heard about the amplifier. जो मेन एम्प्लीफिकेशन का जो फंक्शन है which gives strength to the weak signal, that's what we are going to call it as an amplification. Okay, so amplification is nothing but providing strength to weak signals. Okay, this is about amplification. Stimulated is nothing but we are applying force to an object to work. That is the general meaning of stimulated. For example, if you want to move an atom which is in ground state, okay, for example, this is an energy level diagram. This is ground state and this is excitation state. Now I want the ground state atom should be go to the excitation state, means I am going to give some amount of energy to the ground state atom. After observing this energy, the ground state atom will go to the excitation state. That means we are applying the force. Okay, forcefully we want to do something, that is called as stimulated. So in detail we are going to study in the while we are going to discuss about the principles of laser. Okay, now just you remember stimulated is nothing but forcefully acting. Okay, now next is emission. Emission is nothing but emit or released or discharge. Okay, जो चीज रिलीज करता, क्या रिलीज कर सकता है, इधर लाइट हो सकता है, रेडिएशन हो सकते हैं, हीट हो सकती है. ठीक है, तो ये सब चीजों को जो एमिट करता है उसको हम बोलते हैं एमिशन बोल के. तो यहाँ पे डेफिनेशन लिख देता हूं मैं. एमिशन इज नथिंग बट रिलीजिंग ऑफ और एल्स डिस्चार्जिंग ऑफ, क्या हो सकता है, लाइट, कॉमा रेडिएशन, ओके, कॉमा हीट. So many examples are there for that. So emission is nothing but emitting. So last one is radiation. Radiation is nothing but if we are going to consider any energy which comes from the source. Okay, when the energy moves from one state to another state in the form of beam, that phenomena we are going to consider as a radiation. ओके, ट्रांसफर ऑफ एनर्जी बोल सकते हैं आप इसको, ट्रांसफर ऑफ एनर्जी। ओके, ट्रांसफर ऑफ एनर्जी फ्रॉम one place to another place, that is called as radiation. Okay, so this is the full form of laser. Now what exactly the definition of laser means? Laser is a type of device which emits monochromatic and highly intensity, or you can consider highly coherent beam of light. Okay, that is called as laser. Okay, I'll write the definition. Laser is nothing but a device which emits monochromatic, highly intense beam of light is called as laser. ओके, अब यहाँ पे एक दो वर्ड आ गए हैं, एक है मोनोक्रोमेटिक, दूसरा है हाईली इंटेंस। सो ये जो चीज है मोनोक्रोमेटिक एंड इंटेंस, दीज थिंग्स आर कम अंडर द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ लेजर. Okay, so that we will discuss in the next video. So in today's video what we have discussed, who discovered the laser and what will be the abbreviation of laser. Okay, later detailedly we have studied the abbreviations, and later onwards finally we have discuss about the definition of laser. So with this I am complete my today's class. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like the video, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.